our hat, we need two colors, black and cream. The first row, make single crochet in the center, 8 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Row 2, make 2 single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 16 single crochet for total. Row 3, make single crochet in the first stitch. Next stitch 2 single crochet, single crochet, 2 single crochet. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 24 single crochet for total. Row 4, make single crochet 2 times, and next stitch 2 single crochet, single crochet, 1, 2, next stitch 2 single crochet. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 32 single crochet for total. Row 5, make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 32 single crochet for total. Row 6, make single crochet 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and next stitch 2 single crochet, single crochet 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and next stitch 2 single crochet. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 40 single crochet for total. Make single crochet 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and next stitch decrease 2 single crochet, single crochet 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 single crochet. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 48 single crochet for total. Row 8, we just make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 48 single crochet for total. Row 9, make single crochet 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 2 single crochet, single crochet 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 2 single crochet. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 56 single crochet for total. Row 10 to row 12, we just make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 46 single crochet for total. We will mix black color and cream color. Make single crochet using black color 16 single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 then 15 then 16. Change color. Make single crochet 24 single crochet for the cream. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. Then change color. The black yarn. Single crochet 16 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. And replay again for row 15 and 15. Row 16, make single crochet 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. Then decrease. Make single crochet 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. Then decrease. Make single crochet 1 2. Change color, cream color. Single crochet 3 times for the cream color. 1 2 3 and then decrease. Make single crochet 1 2 3 4 5. Decrease. 1 2 3 4 5 and decrease. single crochet 5 times for cream. 1 2 3 4 5. Change color, black yarn, decrease, make single crochet 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. Decrease, 1 2 3 4 5, then decrease. We will have 48 single crochet for total. Into row 20, make single crochet 14 for black yarn. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, and change color, cream yarn, make single crochet for the cream yarn. One 21 single crochet for cream. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20, then 21. Change color, the black yarn, make single crochet, make single crochet 13 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. 21. Make single crochet 4 times. 1 2 3 4, decrease. 1 2 3 4, decrease. 1 2, change color, 3, 4, decrease. 1, 2, 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 3, 4, decrease. 22 to 25, make single crochet using black yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Change color. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 'Then change color. Black yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Follow until row 25. Row 26. Make single crochet 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and then decrease. Single crochet 3 times, 1, 2, 3, then decrease. Single crochet 3 times, 1, 2, change color, cream color, 3, and decrease. Single crochet 3 times, 1, 2, 3, then decrease. Single crochet 3 times, 1, 2, 3, then decrease. Single crochet 3 times, 1, 2, 3, then decrease. Change color, the black yarn. One, 2, 3, decrease. 1, 2, 3, then decrease. Put 27 max. Single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For the black yarn, change color, the cream yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Change color. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change color. slip stitch. Cut the black yarn and we will work cramp yarn. Make single crochet 2 times, 1, 2, decrease, fill fiber, single crochet 2 times, 1, 2, and decrease. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 24 single crochet for total. Row 29, make single crochet in the first stitch, next stitch make decrease, single crochet, decrease. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 16 single crochet for total. Row 13, we just make decrease every stitches. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 8 single crochet for total. Then cut yarn. Okay, I finished for make head. Now we will sew head and body. Okay. Don't forget use pin, so you will easy when you sew. Okay, we sew body and head. The first row, make single crochet in the center, 8 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Row 2 to row 16, we just make single crochet every stitches. Follow this pattern until row 16. We will have 8 single crochet for total. Okay, I finished for make hand, make 2 hands. Now we make ears from face. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch, make single crochet, one, two, three, 4, 5. Chain 1. Turn your work, then make single crochet, then make half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, two half double crochet again, half double crochet, next stitch, and then single crochet. Okay, finish for make ears. Make once again for ears.